Greek island way down in the Cyclades. It's unique because it's volcanic, so you'll find beautiful colors and over 40 stunning beaches along its coast. This morning, I got a little mixed up and ended up here. It's cold driving. I know. Listen, this is not where I wanted to be. This was not where I was headed, but it's where I am. Here I am on an early morning hike along the rugged eastern coast of Milos, Greece, trying to find that perfect spot to catch the sunrise. You know, sunsets may be for everyone, but there's a certain magic in knowing that sunrises are a secret shared by the few early risers who dare to chase the dawn. I'm looking for that perfect spot that I can immerse myself in the breathtaking spectacle of the rising sun. Man, we have stadium seating, standing room only, for the greatest show this morning. So here's the deal. I would love to climb up here, but this is not what you think. They're not what you think. Oh my. Ooh, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Hayden? You know, I've always said that when I'm out and about like this type of thing, you know, it's a matter of time I find a body. But now I realize it could be my body. Okay. All right, let's go. How about if we just why don't I just turn everything off and get home? The iPhone battery, 4%. The day I have planned, we're gonna need a little more than that. We're gonna need a bigger battery. When somebody tries to warn you about something, listen. After witnessing an amazing sunrise, it's off to the untouched, less traveled parts of Milos for a day of adventure. There's a delightful little kitty out here who keeps looking in the window. Where are you going, Mr. Hayden? Well, last time I was here, I hiked to Kleftiko. I went to the forbidden zone. They even told me when I rented this vehicle, you are not allowed to go here, you are not allowed to go here. Service. I never saw that one. I never saw that one. Okay, look at this. No, XXX. Here's some vlog behind the scenes. We're having a tzatziki flavored Lay's potato chip. We're having tzatziki flavored Lay's potato chip. I just did a drone flight. You have to stop, you have to get it out, you have to make sure, it's a whole thing, right? But what happens is you stop and you get to notice stuff. So this is what I saw last year. And I realized while I'm racing to get over there, you're missing a lot over here. So we're just gonna crawl our way over there today. I went to the store. Oh my God, why didn't I just buy rat poison? The combination of foods I got. So anyway, let's go down there. interesting sand. Fine black powder. Yeah, it feels feathery. Am I right? Is it kinetic? Oh boy, here we go. That sand is amazing because it's also why there's not one rock. Not one. This place, 9.5 out of 10. I take it back. 10 out of 10. Some context of something that, listen, it happens on every trip. I drive around, I see something awesome, and it's a struggle to like, oh, get the drone out. Stop. Take it up. Get stressed out. It might not come back and all that. Then sit there and then pack it away. But what happens is I stop in an area, right? It could have been random, it could have been anywhere, but it was this spot. And then what happens is while I'm here and I'm getting water and I'm putting on sunblock, or maybe I just finished some tzatziki Lay's potato chip. But what happened is I made a slice of my own history, whether I knew it or not, on a spot that I'm gonna leave a footprint for me. There's no way that when I watch the video, I'll know the nuances, all the other things that happened that weren't here. And if I drive by this again, all of a sudden this random place has become a special spot for me. This cannot capture the quiet. I am healthier because of my time spent here. If you're new to these videos and you've never seen my body of work, my library, I've told this story before, that this is Kleftiko. I came here 3 times by a boat. They do everything they can to really convince you it's the only way to get here. The 3rd time I saw people on the cliff, I said, how'd they get there? And being mentioned that there's a path. It has rewritten my concept as how do you get here? Hiking to Kleftiko? Wow. It's the only way I ever want to experience this.
Look ahead, the sea is coming. I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold.
For the 2nd time, I hiked to Kleftiko here. Instead of chartering a boat, like a life metaphor, sometimes you have to lace up your hiking boots and forge your own path. Once only at the mercy of a boat captain, I control my time here. Nature's wonders wait for those who dare to explore. The harder to climb, the more rewarding this is. So don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Embrace the challenge, create your own adventure, and let the world be your guide. Welcome back to the vlog, Kleftiko.
We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
You know why I say unfinished business? It's the opportunity to pick up where I left off. Unfinished business allows me to have new aspects to the same destination. I am in long-term relationships with cherished destinations. That's why when I pack up, I say, I have unfinished business here.
We are dreamers of the shore.